Hey guys, today, let's learn how to edit pictures in Photolab. So if you guys want to go ahead and edit your picture, is over on Photolab. I don't really know how to. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and download the Photolab application. So go ahead and download the Photolab application right here. Proceed with while downloading it onto your device. And then basically I'm gonna teach you guys step by step how to use this application if you have no idea how to. So go ahead and proceed. Just go ahead and wait for this to be downloaded and we're gonna carry on. So waiting to do from here guys as well. Launch the application. Of course, you do need to be connected with a stable internet connection to use this properly. Once this is already done loading, what we can do is actually view the top trend that is available on the application, also the trending photos and some recent ones that is recently created by other users as well. In this case, if you want to go ahead and copy them or create something on your own, we're gonna go ahead and tap on the option to basically see. As you see, I could actually proceed with logging in. From here, I could actually choose the Artbot AI looks, autumn vibes, hot body and into movies option. Now these are the specific features that we can play around with under the Photolab application. In this case, you could actually tap on AI looks over here, and as you see, could actually choose a specific photo, put an iconic look, and try them on yourselves if you prefer to. In this case, you could actually go ahead and try that. I'm gonna go ahead and allow full access onto my camera, and I'm gonna choose a specific photo that I want to go ahead and add onto here. This issue is gonna choose this photo right here, and as you see, all we need to do is to finish its processing, and then we're gonna acquire the final outcome of this photo. So as you see, you can actually choose specific templates that is available on here, like this cartoon one, this cartoon one, this one as well, and a lot of different ones as well that is available on the application. But once you're basically happy with the specific results, of course, we do need to go ahead and wait for this to load, and go ahead and just tap on this button to export and share this onto other platforms. Also download it on your device just by tapping on this button. Now, all we need to do from here is to go and just play around with this application. Basically, this is gonna be art, and this is gonna be subjective. So go ahead and play around it and see which one works best for you and looks good, depending on your own liking. So that's all for this video guys. Thank you very much for watching. That's how you guys could use the new Photolab application. Please comment down below if this work, and I'll see you guys on the next video.